right now we're gonna drop out all the plastics and then take out these rear lights and then try and access all the bolts that go into this rear bumper and then take it off. I've done this 2 or 3 times before, so it's not too difficult. It's just a matter of getting these bolts that are connected, or these nuts that are on the bolts or the back of the lights, and loosening them up, taking them out, and then keeping them organized, and then taking all the lights out. Now, I haven't took a bumper off before, but and we back. So these are all the bolts that connect the rear bumper onto the chassis of the car. So we're gonna unbolt all of these and hope to God that there's not any hidden ones, like probably in the wheel well or something. A considerable amount of time has passed, as you can see, because it's clearly dark, and it looks like I got way more invested into this than I wanted it to be. But for any of you that are taking your rear bumper off the 2000 GT, there's 2 bolts that connect this right here into here, and you have to access them through the inside panels right here and take them loose on both sides. So if you need to take it off, make sure you do that, and also drop the wheel well. There's 2 bolts, 1, 2 right here, they have to go screw out. Then after that, there's a couple around your license plate. You take it out, it should pop right off. Okay, so our biggest thing is right now, of course, this is not an RX-7. These do not directly, these holes on the side do not directly line up with those holes. So we're gonna have to do some moving around, see what we can make happen, then try to mount it up. All right, we got some of the, we got 3 of the bolts in. Now I'm gonna put a leveler on this and then adjust this to where we need it. It's gonna be on here tight, tell y'all that. So I'll put a leveler on. Oh God, okay, I'm gonna put a leveler on. Now next for us to do is just bolt everything down. I'm gonna skip that real quick because one is starting to get a little dark and I'm running out of battery life. Okay, so as you can see, new shirt. A day and about 3 Harbor Freight runs later, we've got some movement. So kind of just try to mock up the wing right now. This is what it looks like. I know, it's insane. But we ran out of time last night and all the stores were closed. So today, we already got some tape on here. We're gonna mark down where these slits go into, and then we're gonna cut the bumper, mock it up, tighten everything down, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so I messed up a little bit. Definitely cut way too much into this bumper, and it's like, I don't know, I just messed it up, cut wrong places, holes not big enough, holes not in the right angle, holes sideways when they should be like this. A lot of really simple stuff that I messed up, but I mean, this is my first time cutting into a bumper. It'll be fixed with a whole lot of Bondo. So when we go ahead and get this car wrapped, we're just gonna need to do a lot of hand sanding on this bumper. So after about another 2 hours, like 2 panic attacks later, boom, the bumper is on. Now there's, well, besides the fact that it dashed and sliced and cut open everywhere. So after what was supposed to be a 3-hour install, y'all, turned into like 13 hours. Without further ado, the GTO with the Battle Aero RX-7 chassis mount wing. with that being said, guys, if you would like to stay updated with the status of this build, anything with this build, racing this car, wrapping this car, whatever it is, subscribe, leave a like below, and comment what I should do next to this, because I'm kind of running out of ideas, maybe. I don't know. But I'll see y'all in the next one. And remember, guys, dreams don't work unless you do. And don't ever let somebody tell you what you can and can't do with your life. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.